Upgrading your car audio is a minefield. You are constantly battling confusing specs and slick marketing campaigns that promise earth-shattering bass but deliver distorted noise. If you've ever wasted hard-earned money on a speaker that taps out when a beat drops, you aren't alone. Today, I'm saving you the headache and the money. I've rigorously tested the most popular 8-inch contenders to find the perfect balance of space, power, and punch. I'm breaking down the top 5, and you'll definitely want to stick around for our number 1 choice. It completely defies expectations and will rethink everything you know about compact car audio. Let's dive in. 5. JBL Stage 810 8-inch car audio subwoofer. When I first unboxed this unit, I was immediately drawn to its sleek, minimalist design and the legacy of the JBL brand, which has long been a staple in both home and automotive audio. I decided to install this subwoofer in a standard sealed enclosure in the trunk of a mid-size sedan, hooking it up to a moderate 200-watt RMS amplifier to see how it handled everyday listening. For the casual listener who just want a slight bump over their factory speakers, the initial impression is decent enough, providing a noticeable layer of low-end warmth that standard door speakers simply cannot produce. However, as I spent more time with the Stage 810, the cracks in its performance began to show rather quickly. The polypropylene cone is lightweight and responsive at lower volumes. But the moment I tried pushing heavy hip-hop or electronic dance tracks through it, the lack of structural rigidity became a real issue. I noticed a distinct flattening of the sound profile, where the deep, resonant bass notes turned into a somewhat hollow, slapping noise that lacked any real authority. It struggles significantly with rapid, complex bass lines, often muddying the frequencies together rather than keeping them crisp and distinct. Build quality also left me feeling a bit underwhelmed during the installation process and subsequent road tests. The stamped steel basket feels surprisingly thin, and while it helps keep the overall weight down, it doesn't inspire a lot of confidence if you're driving on rough, bumpy roads that cause a lot of vibration. Furthermore, the rubber surround feels a bit stiff out of the box, and even after a dedicated break-in period, it never quite achieved the level of excursion required to move a substantial amount of air. 4. Pioneer TS, a 2000 LD 8-inch shallow mount subwoofer. Space is often the biggest enemy when designing a car audio system, especially for truck owners who need to tuck their equipment behind or under the rear seats. This is exactly where the Pioneer steps in, boasting a remarkably slim profile that I was able to easily slide into a custom shallow box right behind the seat of a single cab pickup. Pioneer has always been clever with their engineering, and the dual 2-ohm voice coil design offers excellent wiring flexibility, allowing you to extract maximum power from your amplifier without needing a massive footprint in your cabin. When I first fired it up with some classic rock and heavy metal tracks, the tight, punchy mid-bass response was genuinely impressive. The mic-injected resin cone does a fantastic job of keeping the beats fast and accurate, which is perfect for capturing the quick, sharp strike of a kick drum. However, the inherent physical limitations of shallow mount design become glaringly obvious the moment you transition to bass-heavy genres. Because the cone simply does not have the physical depth to travel back and forth, the subwoofer severely lacks the low-end frequency extension needed to produce those deep, lingering sub-bass notes that you can feel in your chest. As I cranked the volume to test its upper limits, another prominent issue surfaced that was hard to ignore. The suspension system on the TS. The 2000 LD2 feels overly rigid, which is likely an intentional design choice by Pioneer to prevent the cone from bottoming out in its incredibly shallow basket. Unfortunately, this rigidity results in a noticeable amount of mechanical noise when the speaker is pushed hard. Instead of a clean, musical bass line, I started hearing the physical strain of the components, which significantly detracted from the overall listening experience. 3. Alpine S2 W8D4 Next Generation S Series 8-inch subwoofer. Alpine is a legendary name in car audio, and testing this next-generation unit felt like a breath of fresh air after dealing with the limitations of our previous contenders. I loaded this into a custom ported enclosure to maximize its output potential, and the difference in build quality was immediately apparent. Featuring a stunning carbon fiber and glass fiber composite cone, this subwoofer feels incredibly robust in the hands, promising a level of durability and acoustic accuracy that standard paper or plastic cones just cannot match. The moment I started feeding it power, the S2W8D4 truly came alive, handling its 300-watt RMS rating with absolute grace. I threw a challenging mix of modern pop, electronic dance music, and orchestral tracks at it, and it handled the complex frequency shifts effortlessly. The bass reproduction is exceptionally clean and articulate. It hits with authority, but never lingers too long to muddy up the next note. The high-amplitude multi-roll surround technology, which Alpine is famous for incorporating into their higher-end lines, allows for incredible cone excursion, moving a massive amount of air for an 8-inch driver without ever losing mechanical control. What really stood out during my testing was the sheer musicality of this subwoofer. Unlike lesser models that simply produce a monotone thud, the Alpine reveals the subtle textures and tones within the bass lines, allowing you to hear the music exactly as the original studio producer intended. The dual 4-ohm voice coils also made the installation process a total breeze, giving me the flexibility to wire it down to a 2-ohm load to get the absolute most out of my monoblock amplifier. It runs remarkably cool even after hours of continuous, high-volume playback, thanks to an excellently engineered motor structure and venting system. 2. DS18 Pro X8.4BM 8-inch mid-range loudspeaker. Now, it is crucial to note that while we have been heavily discussing subwoofers, building the ultimate car audio system requires speakers that can actually keep up with all that massive bass, and this mid-range monster does exactly that. I installed a pair of these in the custom door panels of my test vehicle, and the sheer weight and build quality of the red aluminum basket immediately commanded respect. This is not your average door speaker. It is a professional-grade audio weapon designed for listeners who want concert-level volume inside their cabin. When I turned on the system, the clarity and sheer volume produced by the Pro X8.4BM absolutely blew me away. Equipped with a brilliant red aluminum bullet resonator right in the center, this speaker pushes out high-frequency and mid-range vocals with a level of piercing clarity that cuts right through the heaviest, most aggressive subwoofer setups. I tested it with vocal-heavy acoustic tracks and high-energy rock music, and the snare drums and guitar riffs were delivered with breathtaking crispness. It handles an astonishing 300 watts of RMS power, meaning you can push it to absolutely deafening levels without a single hint of distortion. The engineering behind this loudspeaker is tailored for extreme performance and endurance under heavy competitive loads. The massive ferrite magnet and high-temperature voice coil ensure that even when you're pushing the speaker to its absolute maximum limit for hours on end, it will not suffer from thermal failure or voice coil rub. During my road tests, even at highway speeds with the windows completely down and the wind howling into the cabin, the DS18 easily overpowered the ambient noise, delivering a pristine, stadium-like auditory experience directly into the driver's seat. 1. Skar Audio EVL 65. You might be looking at the specifications and thinking, wait a minute, this is a 6.5-inch subwoofer. How did it want a shootout design for the 8-inch category? The answer is simple. During my rigorous testing, this absolute monster of a compact subwoofer completely obliterated the 8-inch competition, proving that intelligent heavy-duty engineering beats sheer surface area every single time. I dropped this heavy-duty driver into a custom vented enclosure, and from the moment I held its massive 39-ounce motor structure, I knew I was dealing with a completely different beast. The performance of the EVL 65 is nothing short of mind-blowing for its compact footprint. Rated at a conservative 200 watts RMS, this little titan absolutely thrives on clean power and produces low-frequency extension that practically defies the laws of physics. When I played test tracks with sweeping sub-bass drops, the Skar dug incredibly deep, shaking the mirrors and vibrating the seats with a ferocity I would normally expect from a much larger 10-inch or even 12-inch woofer. The competition-grade paper cone and high-roll foam surround allow for extreme, aggressive excursion, pushing a ridiculous amount of air into the cabin without breaking a sweat. Beyond just raw, brute force, the EVL 65 delivers an incredibly tight and musical sound profile. It responds instantly to rapid, punchy bass lines without any lingering sloppiness or overhang, making it perfectly suited for any genre, from aggressive dubstep to tight, rhythmic heavy metal tracks. The advanced cooling design of the massive motor structure is a testament to Skar Audio's commitment to long-term durability. Outro. That's all for today.